Hey friends, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play Watching the Wheels on guitar by John Lennon. This is a fantastic song for advanced beginners to practice open chords. Now I'll start by showing you the chords in the song, so if you know these chords you can jump ahead to this time, and we'll also have a look at the strumming pattern. Don't forget, if you like this lesson, to subscribe and hit the notification bell for songs and lessons uploaded weekly. Really helps me out. If you have any problems with the song, leave a comment and let me know how you go with this one. So let's get into it. Let's start with the chords. So we have a standard C chord, we have the 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, 1st fret on the B and open E, and that's our standard C. Now we're going to do this C add 9. All we have to do is take off our middle finger there and we have a C add 9. So we've got the 3rd fret on the A string, open D, open G, 1st fret on the B and open E, and that's going to be our C add 9. We have our standard F bar chord, so don't play the E and the A string. We have the 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B and the E. And we're also going to use an F bar chord there. Now you don't have to, you can just use the F chord if you want. So our F bar chord, 1st fret on the E string, 3rd fret on the A and the D, 2nd fret on the G and 1st fret on the B and the E. And that's our F bar chord. We're also going to have an F major 7 now, so this time it's 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B string and open E string there, and that's our F major 7 again. Don't play the E and the A string. We're going to have an F over C as well, so this time we're going to have the 3rd fret on the A string, 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string and 1st fret on the B and the E, and that's our F over C. Now we're going to have this E minor 6 chord as well, so we're going to have the open E string, 2nd fret on the A and the D, open G, 1st fret on the B and open E, and that's our E minor 6. We're going to have a standard D minor, so open D string, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B and 1st fret on the E string, and that's our D minor. We're going to have a D minor 7, so this time open D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B and the E, and that's our D minor 7. We have a standard G chord, so 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A, open D, G, 3rd fret on the B and the E, and that's our G chord. We're going to have a G7 as well, so 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D and G, open B, and this time 1st fret on the E string, and that's our G7. We're going to have this G6 chord as well, so 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A, open D, open G, 3rd fret on the B string, and then an open E string, and that's going to be our G6. We have a standard A minor chord, so open A string, 2nd fret on the D and the G, 1st fret on the B and open E. That's our A minor. We're also going to have an A minor over G, so all we're doing is adding the G on the top E string, so 3rd fret, and the rest stays the same for our A minor. And we're going to have an D7 over F sharp as well, so you can use your thumb, come over the top, 2nd fret on the E string. We're going to have the open A string, we're going to have the open D string, we're going to have the 2nd fret on the G, the 1st fret on the B and the 2nd fret on the E, and that's our D7 over F sharp there. And that's all the chords, so there's lots in there. Just go through those, work them all out before you get into the song. So let's quickly go over the strumming pattern as well. So for our strumming pattern, when we're doing a 4 count or 1 bar, we're going to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's do that slowly. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's one bar or a count of 4. Down, 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 up. When we have a 2 count, we're just going to use down, 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 up. So slowly. Down, 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 up. And down, 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 up. And that's our 2 count or half a bar. And then we have our 1 counts as well. We're just going to do a down, down, up on those. So slowly, down, down, up. Now there's a couple of other little strumming patterns in there, and we'll get into those as we get into the song. So let's start that now. Okay, for our intro, this is probably the hardest bit. And once you've got the strumming pattern right for this, it's not too bad. So we're going to start on the C, and we're going to do a bar of C, but we're going to add in the C add 9, and we're going to do a hammer on there. So we're going to go down, down, up, down, down, up. And on that last down, we're going to lift our finger off the second finger, play the C add 9, and then hammer it back onto the D string 2nd fret. So slowly, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, then hammer on, down, up. Let's do that up to speed. So you can hear that little hammer on there. Then we go to the F chord, and we're doing a down mute. Then we're going to do the F major 7, and that's going to come in on the upstroke. And then we're going to go to the F over C, and that's going to be an up, down, down, up. So that's quite confusing, that first part. Let me play it through slowly for you so you can hear how it's going to sound. And we do this through 2 times. So just go between C and F there. And again slowly. Now if you want to, if you're finding that really tricky to get down, you can just play C and F. So C for a bar and F for a bar. Doesn't quite sound as nice when we put those little fills in. So now let's do it up to speed so you can hear it's going to sound like. And for our intro, we do that through 2 times. And we're also going to use this little fill in the verse as well. So starting on our C. And that's our intro there. From there we're going into our verse, and we're going to do that same start part again. The C with the C9 and the hammer on, or C add 9 and the hammer on, the F, F major 7, F to C. So we do that once. Then we just go to the C, and we do a bar of that with the hammer on. And then we just do another bar without the hammer on, so we're just staying on C there again. So down, 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 down. So let me do that first part of the verse for you so you can hear how that's going to sound. That's the first part of the verse. Then we go back to our C, hammer on, F, F major 7, F to C. We do that the same again. We do our C again with our hammer on for a bar. Now we're going to stay on C, and we're going to do 1, down, up, down, down, up, down, and on the 3 and we're going to play the C, C add 9, and then our E minor 6 there to get us ready for the pre-chorus. So let me do that last little part slowly for you, just coming from the C and doing the hammer on there. And that gets us ready for the pre-chorus. So let me play that first verse for you so you can hear how that's all going to come together. there we're going into our pre-chorus. Let's have a look at that now. Okay, so for our pre-chorus we're going to start on F, and this is where we're doing half a bar, so we're just doing our down, down, down up. So F for half a bar, D minor for half a bar, G for half a bar. Now we're going to do our G7 for one count, so just our down, down up, and back to G, down, down up, to F, half a bar again, D minor half a bar, G half a bar, G7 half a bar, and then just back to G for a full bar. So back to our down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's our pre-chorus, not too hard, so let's play through that now, starting on our F. And that's our pre-chorus. So then we go back to the verse and we do that exactly the same, then back to the pre-chorus. After that, now the end's going to change a little bit here. We're still going to do G for a bar, so then we're going to play a down on the G, down on the G again, then do a down on the G6, and then an up on the G to finish. So let me just play that last G for you there of the pre-chorus. And that's the last G, so let me play that second pre-chorus for you. The chords are exactly the same as before, starting on the F. And then from there we're going into the chorus, so let's have a look at that now. So for our chorus, we've got a couple of extra chords in here. So we're going to start on the F, 2 counts, the same strumming pattern as before. G, 2 count. C, half a bar, 2 count. A minor, half a bar again. F, half a bar. Now we're going to have this F over E, so we're just going to play the 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B and the E, and do that for half a bar. D minor for half a bar. D minor 7 for half a bar. G for half a bar. G7 for half a bar. A minor for half a bar. Our A minor over G for half a bar. And a bar on our D7 over F sharp. And the strumming pattern we can change there just to a standard down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then go to your F, and we're going to use the bar chord here, just half a bar. Then we're going to an F minor, so just take your 2nd finger off there, and you have your F minor bar chord and half a bar there. And that's our chorus, and then we're going straight back into the intro on the C again. So we play that through up to speed. It's a little confusing, but not too bad once you've got that first part. So starting on the F. So that's our chorus. From there we go back into the intro, we do that exactly the same. Then we go back to the verse, we do that exactly the same. And then the pre-chorus, we do that exactly the same with the G on the end. And then we have this last chorus. Let's have a look at that now. So for our last chorus, we have F for half a bar, G for half a bar, C half a bar, A minor half a bar. So all the same as the other chorus. F for half a bar, F over E for half a bar, D minor for half a bar, D minor 7 for half a bar, G for half a bar, G7 for half a bar, A minor for half a bar, A minor over G half a bar, and then our D7 over F sharp a bar. Now our M part, we're going to do F half a bar, F minor half a bar, C half a bar, and then back to our D7 over F sharp for half a bar. Then do that again, F for half a bar, F minor half a bar, C half a bar, our D7 over F sharp, again half a bar, and then we just finish on the F, half a bar, F minor half a bar, and on our C to finish. And that's the last chorus there, so let me play that up to speed for you so you can hear how that's going to sound. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.